Public School gives special attention and care to each and every kid, shaping handwriting, reading exercises, soft-floored kids' playroom, Montessori room, well-furnished digi classrooms, an air-conditioned library, instrumental, dance, art, karate, yoga, chess.
A well-designed playground for different games with special coaches, cricket nets for cricket, floodlight tennis court, mini football, outdoor park with grass motor skill exercises,
Modernized science, math and computer labs to brighten the skills in kids.
air-conditioned school van give kids a fun ride.
Muthamil Public School, Munnirpallam, Tirunelveli.